So first thing I'm going to do is measure the customer length of the pants, and the length of the pants is going to be 37 inches. So 37 inches, I'm going to make a mark. So this is the length of the customer pants. Then I'm gonna leave 1.5 inch. Then I'm gonna leave 1.5 inch for the hemming allowance. So I'm gonna measure 1.5, and I'm gonna make a straight line across. So first you measure the length of the customer pants, and then you draw a line and you measure 1.5 inch for the hemming allowance, and you're gonna cut that. So I'm gonna cut. So I cut it off. So the next thing I'm going to do is serge the edges of the pants. So after doing that, you want to measure 1.5 inch, fold it in, pin it, an 1.5 inch, and then you want to press it nicely. So you want to make sure you press that seam neat because you're going to put a hand stitch on it. So you're going to press it neatly. So it's like this. So you're going to do that for both sides. So after you finish that, you're going to put the hand stitch. So I'm going to start by doing it like this. Put the needle inside. And then you're going to pick up like this and push through the other side. Again, like this. And you're going to do that on both sides. So you can see when I finish, It's neat. You don't see any stitches on the outside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and leave me a comment.